Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can boost your Steam downloads. As you can see, my downloads can only reach up a speed of 4 MB, and that's because our downloads are limited to 4 MB, which is something that usually does not happen unless you put it on, or like mistakenly put it on, which is very impossible. But what you can do, some tips I can give you is that you should set your download region to the right place, like where your location is. Let's say if you set it to Tokyo, Japan, and you're living in somewhere like far in Europe, your download speed will be extremely slow, I tell you that. And then make sure to click to disable limit download speed if you don't want your download speed to be lacking. And then sometimes too, some issues might arise because of like the download cache, and what you can do is just delete the download cache, and it should make everything better. As you can see, doing all of those has turned my download speed back up, even though it's just still so slow because I'm living in a third world country. But the final tip I would like to give you is upgrade your connection. Thank you for watching. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.